Today, we're at the Sawmill Community Land Trust. We're here with Vicki Duggar. Vicki is the Director of Development. So Vicki, can you tell us exactly what the Sawmill Community Land Trust does?
Well, thank you very much. Good to be here. Sawmill Community Land Trust, we do quality, affordable housing for low to moderate income families here in Bernalillo County. Now, you might ask, why is this important? I'll tell you.
Okay.
So adults, children, and neighborhoods all really benefit when housing is stable. But here in Albuquerque, in the greater Bernalillo County area, this is a huge problem, affordable housing. And why is that? In Albuquerque, 4 out of 10 people, employees and workers, earn 80% or less of the area median income.
So 40%. Wow.
That's right, yeah, it's big. So, and for this group, studies show that housing for these guys is often substandard, overcrowded, too expensive, and that's not good.
Okay.
So, Sawmill Community Land Trust,
there it is.
we work to solve this problem.
Okay.
Hey, there you go.
And how we do that is by creating housing that is high quality, permanently affordable, and energy efficient. Helping working families succeed. And as Martha Stewart would say, that's a very good thing. Sawmill Community Land Trust.
Wow. So that's a lot of stuff, Ted, and to be honest, I had no idea what those things were saying. As far as I know, they were pointing at you saying stupid. But, it seems like to me, you could be doing a lot of different things, right? You could be working at Intel, you could be running for president right now, you could be preparing for the Olympic Games.
That's right.
But here you are working at Sawmill Community Land Trust. Why?
I love it. I love community development work. I've always worked in nonprofit sector because it's about giving back to the community. And really, it's kind of, I can identify with United Way. That's what it's about, giving back to the community.
That's a good answer, Ted.
That's a really good answer, Ron.
You know, I think we should do these all the time because I really enjoyed throwing those off to the side.
You want to throw them away?
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you for joining us. As always, thank you, Ted.
My pleasure.
And thank you, our adoring audience. We'll see you next time.
Be safe out there.
Peace.